If you're a chica bella, put your hands up, because this is one of the most requested videos on our YouTube channel. What makeup brushes to use for what facial features and which makeup technique? I have 7 of them lying in front of me, and I'll introduce them to you step by step in a sequence as I use for the makeup application. First brush is this one, 232 Luxe Classic Shader by Zoeva. I just adore Zoeva's brushes. I can't say enough about them because they are awesome. I'm using this for about 2 years and it's pretty much as new. So I strongly recommend buying them. And this is not a sponsored video because we're too small to do sponsored videos. Hopefully one day. Rose Golden, it's called. They're cruelty free because they just pick up the hairs of the animals and stuff them in a brush. Don't know how they do them. This is the brush that I start the makeup with pretty much all the time because it's flat. Do you remember that? Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. This is the brush I use when I want to apply an eyeshadow here all over. So tapping that it doesn't fall down. And also you see lots of women on YouTube doing this crease here. So if you have deep set eyes, you can do it with this brush. You don't need that thin brush or whatever, you know, just flat for this. And if you want to make sort of a straight line that you blend later, you can use this one as well. Then moving forward, fluffy brush. How do you call them? Buff? No, not a buffing brush. Shading brush. Let me just read what it says. 227 Luxe Soft Definer. Because if you have deep set eyes, you would, you know, blend this. Oh, it's a blending brush. Yeah, that's right. Blend this crease here. And also, you don't always need to do that crease with this brush, you know, with a flat brush or whatever. You can do it, as you see me often, just with this one. It's not a two-step application, you know, you just go here, pow, 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 and then in. If you have protruding eyes, you do it with this one out and then maybe down here. And also underneath, this blends well. So I have hairs on my face. They started falling apart a bit, you can see on the brush already. I'll change them. So here, this will make the smoky eyes. Then I usually do the foundation because I do the eyes first. When the eyeshadow falls down, I'll clean it and then I'll use a foundation brush. I tried so many foundation brushes, like for example a stippling brush and different ones, but I find this one by Yves Saint Laurent, there might be, I mean there definitely are lots of brands which do this brush. It needs to have fake hair, so like polyurethane, polyester, because these hairs are easy to clean. This one, shoot me now, you know. If someone knows how to clean a stippling brush, let me know. Because I think even if I throw it in the washing machine, it just won't clean. Therefore, this one, because it can be really precise, you know, it's angled like this, round, on the top, and easy to clean. But mainly, especially if you're a makeup artist, you want your brushes to be clean, because otherwise, when you go on the field, people are like, what is this? You know, boom, this is awesome, because it's so precise that you can pow, pow, flick it down, make a contour here, change your life. I love a hard brush for the eyebrows. One problem with with hard brushes is that when you're flicking that angle here, if the color is waxy, you can make straight lines. So it will take it off in the middle and leave 2 stripes in the end. So this is pretty much a powder brush. Whereas if you're applying some gel, I suggest you use something softer. But for powders, which I use lots of times because I like the makeup maybe more natural, I use this one. Then this angled. But to flick it down. Pow, pow, pow. Also, I use this for shading the forehead, bronzing it, contouring. Also, for the blush here. Because it depends how you move it, you know. If you want to flick your contour, cheek contour down, you do it like this. If you want to apply a blush, you might change the direction and just do it like this. Round motion, very soft. Nice, nice, nice. I see so many baking. Baking should be in the kitchen, in the oven, not on the face. That's why I love this. You don't see me using this one because I just use it not on the camera, but it is a fan brush. It is for the powder, so tiny amount. Now be gentle with your makeup, put it on, and then just where you need it, you know, just where you need it. Not this, you know, not too much caking. And then my favorite thing that is actually not a lip brush, it is an eyeshadow brush. It is a brush that is slightly angled, and I call it cat's tongue, because with this one, when you do your lips, you can really move it around like this. It just sticks on, you won't go over the edge. It's slightly pointed in the end and very easy to control, because you have flat brushes for the lips, and same as this one, it leaves trails on the both parts of the brush. So it's hard to apply a lipstick because you have a thick edge in the end. Whereas with this one, you won't have it. And you just move it around like this. Whereas if you're good with the lipstick, you can do it out of the container as well. Minus this one, you have only 6 brushes. So these are all the brushes, you know. First, flat brush for the eyes, tap, tap, tap. Blending brush, da, 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 da. Then the foundation brush, which is slightly pointed in the end, that you were able to control the contours as well if you use creamy contours. Hard, angled, boom, boom, boom brush for the eyebrows, which I use for the eyeliner as well. If you want to flick an eyeliner, you can use this one. But then for the eyeliner, maybe, yeah, plus one more brush. Very thin. And I don't use angle anymore. I use a round brush. But about all the extended collection of makeup brushes, I'll do a makeup video next time. Boom. Powder flick down. Contour. Then a fan brush that you won't look like a cake, and an eye brush, which is actually, these are similar brushes, very similar, whereas this one is more pointed, so it's easier to control something creamy. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let me know if you want to see something else. You have the description of all the brushes on our website, so check that out as well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for being awesome. Chica, chica, bellas, ciao, ciao, ciao.